Everyone is talking about AI. Some people are using it just for fun, while others are quietly building online income with it every single day. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything. Instead, you only need one skill that businesses are already willing to pay for. In this video, I'll show you 9 AI side hustles that are realistic for beginners, explain how each one works, how difficult it is, and who it's best for. Let's get started. 1. AI Thumbnail Designer. Every YouTuber wants more clicks. A better thumbnail can double a video's views. Even if you don't know Photoshop, AI tools can generate eye-catching thumbnails in minutes. Charge creators for every thumbnail or offer monthly packages. 2. AI Resume and LinkedIn Service. Thousands of people apply for jobs every day. Most resumes look exactly the same. Use AI to rewrite resumes, improve LinkedIn profiles, and write professional cover letters. It's simple, fast, and always in demand. 3. AI Voiceover Business. Many YouTube channels never show their face. They need realistic voiceovers. With AI voice generators, you can create professional narration in different accents and languages. Sell voiceover services to YouTubers, businesses, and advertisers. 4. AI Presentation Creator. Business owners hate making presentations. AI can create beautiful slides in minutes. You simply collect the client's information. AI designs the presentation. You make a few improvements and deliver it. 5. AI Chatbot Setup. Businesses receive the same customer questions every day. Instead of hiring more staff, they can install an AI chatbot. Offer chatbot setup services to restaurants, clinics, gyms, and online stores. Charge once, or earn monthly maintenance fees. 6. AI Course Creator. Experts know valuable skills, but don't know how to turn them into online courses. Use AI to write lessons, quizzes, workbooks, and presentations. Help creators launch digital courses without spending months creating content. 7. AI Marketing Agency. Small businesses struggle with social media. Offer a complete package. AI-generated posts, captions, ad copy, email campaigns, content calendars. Businesses save time. You earn recurring monthly income. 8. AI Automation Consultant. Many businesses still waste hours doing repetitive work. Use AI automation tools to connect emails, forms, spreadsheets, CRMs, and customer support. Saving businesses time means saving them money. And that's exactly what they're willing to pay for. 9. AI Digital Product Business. This is one of the most scalable models. Use AI to create ebooks, planners, budget templates, Notion templates, printable journals, business checklists. Create once, sell forever. No inventory, no shipping, no employees. Final thoughts. Don't chase every AI trend. Pick one skill. Practice it every day for the next 60 days. Build a portfolio. Get your first client. Then reinvest your earnings into learning the next AI skill. The people who start today won't just use AI. They'll build businesses around it. If you want practical AI business ideas, online income strategies, and wealth-building content every week, subscribe to Wealth Avenue. I'll see you in the next video.